Nestled on a wooded lot, you'll find this gorgeous, perfectly renovated Lake Oswego home. It's located next to peaceful Freepons Park, a family-friendly neighborhood in the award-winning Lake Oswego School District. Renovated top to bottom in 2016, you'll discover newer wood floors and an open floor plan for easy living and entertaining. The living room flows out to the deck for lovely wooded and park views in a private setting. The kitchen features quartz countertops, new cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and a gas range for the gourmet cook. Unwind in your private master ensuite with access to its own deck next to the secluded wooded area. You'll find a beautifully remodeled master bath. On this floor, you'll find another bedroom and an updated bath. A second fireplace frames the lower-level family room. You'll find a guest suite with an updated full bath and a huge walk-in closet. The oversized two-car garage and ample parking complete this home package. Living here, you'll love its location near the park and downtown Lake Oswego and all of its wonderful amenities. A gorgeous, updated home in a coveted location. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.